Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you this amazing recipe. It is my plantain pie. It is super quick, easy, and delicious. Alright, this was served up with some corn fiesta and some tomatoes. The link for the corn fiesta will be in the description box. So without further ado, let's get right to it. So here I have some baby bella mushrooms that I diced really small. Then to a pot we're going to add that in without any oil. Now these mushrooms are going to produce its own water, its own liquid, so we really don't need oil. You're going to add your pepper flakes, seasoned to your likeness and taste. Allow the water to absorb, and we want it really dry. So after about maybe 10 minutes in medium low, this is what it looks like, and we are going to set that aside. Again, you can adjust your seasoning here to your likeness and taste. So here I have some wilted spinach, and we're going to add some salmon cream cheese. I did pan sear 2 pieces of salmon. We're going to mix everything in this mixture. Now you can use any meat of your choice. Salmon is just mine, and we are going to add that amazing mushrooms we made earlier to the mixture as well. I told you this was going to be rich. So there I have my plantain. Bring that to a boil, nice and smooth, and the water, it was actually boiled in, I add a pinch of salt. All right, the plantain that I'm using is it's not green, and it's not turned plantains. It's like right in the center. All right, then we are going to add some cornstarch. That is half a cup, and I did also add a 1/4 cup of flour as well. And you're going to get in there with your hands and mix everything in. Pull everything together until it forms a nice ball. Or dough, plantain dough, yes. Just like that. Now you want to work with this while it is nice and warm. Now we all know plantains, cold plantain is not forgiving, so we're going to cut this dough into desired sizes, roll this out. I did not get to show you guys that part of the video. I did roll it out. It rolls out really nice, and and we're going to cut that in your desired size. Flour, like you do everything else, egg wash, and it's in the mixture of panko breadcrumbs, which is the season. And it also had some Parmesan cheese as well in the mixture. We're going to fry until it becomes nice and golden brown. Now also in that mixture, I did add some more cheese, so you'll see that as well. Look at that, guys. It was so crunchy on the outside and ooey gooey. Oh my gosh, I just can't wait for y'all to try this one. It is so delicious. And that corn fiesta right there, I'll drop the link in the description box for that creamy garlic Parmesan corn fiesta. You guys just have to make that one as well. It's good to go. Like, you can have that with your ribs or your barbecue or whatever you're having. All right, look at that, guys. If y'all are new here to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like, drop a comment, and share this video. You can also let me know where you're watching this video from. Thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. Bye-bye.